My name is Lopez. I'm the Chief of Police here for the City of Bellaire. Here in the Bellaire Police Department, we are responsible for all the law enforcement function within the City of Bellaire. We handle all law enforcement related calls, anything from traffic stops to responding to calls for service, conducting our investigations, interviewing suspects. We also have the animal control function here, where we have a dedicated animal control officer that will go out and conduct investigations, go out, talk to people, pick up dogs and that kind of thing. So that's what we do here. We're a full service police department. Before we made the transition to utility and the EOS platform, the prior system we were using had so many different components. The officers had to check out different things, not just a camera, but also a microphone for the car. But the system also had a deficiency in that it wasn't unusual for batteries to unexpectedly go bad. Missing that video evidence, it really tied our hands, and so we were missing part of the story. It was in that process that I came across the utility of the EOS system and was so impressed with the functionality of it and how it just right out of the box looking at it, it immediately addressed the issues that we were having, from the cameras falling off to the data upload to even storage. All that, those concerns, the issues we were having, solved them all. The system simplifies officers' workflow by taking the need to process that digital video evidence out of their hands completely. Because once it's captured in the system, it is there, saved in the cloud in the system. So when it comes time, all they have to do is just click the button, it's saved as evidence, and they're done. As far as sharing cases with the DA's office, once the case is created with us, they just log in, they can see that video real time, and if they need to go back and see it 5, 6, 7 times, they can do it. We had an incident just yesterday where we had multiple officers involved in a pursuit that went outside the city. From here in the office, I was able to log into the system, listening to the radio, and had the ability to log right into a video and see what was going on. There was one case where I was watching a video and I saw one of our officers just doing one of the things we do, the routine things we do hundreds of times a day. I saw her just handcuffing somebody, and I saw that and I thought, well, I think there's a better way to do that. Using it as a coaching tool just for training, that's an important unexpected benefit. The ease of transferring data. I was hoping it would go faster, but didn't expect it to be as fast as it is. It is real-time uploading right to the cloud, and we can see that video almost instantaneously. Thinking back to when I was looking for solutions for a body-worn camera system, one of the most important features that I found with utility and EOS was the officer down feature. And that was important to me because here in Bellaire, back in 2016, we had an officer die in the line of duty. He was on a motorcycle, went over a series of bumps, ended up losing control and crashed. The officers working that day couldn't find him for 15 minutes. Had we had that in place back in 2016, we would have found that officer that much quicker. We could have gotten him the help that he needed faster, and he might still be with us today. Preventing that from happening again has really been my mission, and this utility does that. It is really the system that'll increase officer safety and help us find officers wherever they are.